With GearFlow Parts Hub Pro, heavy equipment fleet teams can reduce costs, spend less time waiting on parts, and get the insights you need to increase your uptime and margin-making opportunities. Here's how it works for your team and vendors. First, your technicians can submit their parts requests the moment they're needed on the Parts Hub Pro mobile app. No part number is necessary because we have your machine serial number. A description is all that is required. You can also add photos and multiple parts for your machine to each request. Select where the parts will go and which vendor you'd like to receive the request. Set when you need the parts by and whether the machine is down. Then submit. Based on your organization and user settings, requests can either go directly to your vendor or you can route it first to an internal approver to review and edit before submission. Your vendor gets your request via email or text with all the details needed to quickly and accurately send you a quote. It does not cost your vendor anything to participate, and they do not need a GearFlow account to send you a quote with Parts Hub Pro. You'll be invoiced by them as usual. All they need to do is simply enter price and availability. That's it. You'll get alerted when your quote is ready for review, and your team can stay up to date throughout the process, including if approval is needed when internal cost thresholds are exceeded. You can also cut calls in half by instant messaging your team and vendors directly to keep all communications in one place and to prevent the endless games of telephone. If a vendor's lead time is too long, you can easily source alternative options so your team is never waiting on parts. Approve the quote that works for you to send the purchase order to your vendor, who is automatically notified at every step along the way. Your vendor can now start processing your order. As soon as it's available, they'll mark the order ready via will call, vendor delivery, or shipping. For local vendors, you'll also have the option to dispatch a driver for same-day pickup with GearFlow Courier powered by Curry, a service that provides last-mile deliveries for the construction industry. Once you've got your parts, mark them as received. Verify that your order is correct and immediately report any issues to your vendor. With your parts purchasing running through GearFlow Parts Hub Pro, you'll get real-time insights to make strategic decisions for your fleet, including what common parts you need to stock, which machines are causing problems, and how your vendors are performing. No more operating in the dark. Ready to turn your parts process into a competitive advantage? Start today with GearFlow Parts Hub Pro.